Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the where it was, the battery and device care here. And as you can see, on the fourth position we've got the device protection, which is currently off, so let's tap, and here let's tap on turn on. As you can see, we've got the information that no threats has been found, but let's scan the phone. And as you can see, this device will right now scan itself, the whole components and whole apps which are currently installed, and if it will find any malware, any viruses, any actually problems, then it will list it right here and you will be able to remove them immediately. But as you can see in my case, I do not have any problems with it. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.